Wonders of the world famous places. The Great Wall of China, located in northern China. It is the only human construction visible from the moon. It was mostly built during the 15th and 16th centuries. It was built in different areas by different dynasties to protect different territorial borders. Length 21,200 kilometers approx. History more than 2,300 years. The Great Wall of China is one of the greatest signs in the world, the longest wall in the world. The Colosseum, located in Rome. It is famous because it is an origin of gladiator battles that took place in the time of Roman Empire. Great Pyramid of Giza, located in near Cairo, Egypt. It is the largest in the world, filling 13 acres at its base. It was the tallest structure in the world until the advent of modern skyscrapers. The Leaning Tower, Pisa, Italy, located in Pisa. It took 344 years to build. The lean was due to one side sinking into the soft ground. It is a bell tower of the cathedral in the city of Pisa, known worldwide for its depth. Stonehenge, England. It is a prehistoric monument in Wiltshire, England. It consists of a ring of standing stones, each around 13 feet high, 7 feet wide, and weighing around 25 tons. Construction started around 3000 BC. Potala Palace, located in Tibet, China. It was the winter palace of the greatest leader of Tibetan Buddhism, Dalai Lama, from the period of 1649 to 1959. It is listed one of the new 7 wonders of the world. Christ the Redeemer is a statue in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, that was built as a symbol of Brazilian Christianity. Constructed between 1922 to 1931, the statue is 30 meters, around 98 feet high, excluding pedestal. The arm strength is 28 meters. It is listed as one of the 7 wonders of the world. Taj Mahal, Agra, located in India. It is a symbol of love. It was made by Emperor Shah Jahan in the loving memory of his wife and the most loved queen in his harem, Begum Mumtaz Mahal. Built in Agra between 1631 and 1648 with white marble. The UNESCO World Heritage Site is also one of the 7 wonders of the world because of its immense beauty. Located in Peru. It was constructed as an estate for an Inca emperor. It is a 15th century Incan citadel located in the eastern cordillera of southern Peru on a 2,430-meter mountain ridge. Ely Cathedral, located in England. It has been used for worship for over 1,300 years. With its unique 14th century octagonal lantern tower. It is a major tourist destination, built originally in 672 AD. Petra, located in Jordan. It is a historical and archaeological city, famous for its rock-cut architecture and water conduit system. Petra is also called the Rose City. It has been UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1985. Chichen Itza, located in Mexico. It is the last city built by Maya people. Temple of Artemis, located in Turkey. It was originally built during the 7th century BC. Statue of Liberty, New York in USA. Statue stands on Liberty Island in New York Harbor, standing 305 feet high including its pedestal. It represents a woman holding a torch in her raised right hand and a tablet bearing the adoption date of the Declaration of Independence, July 4th, 1776 in her lap. Eiffel Tower, located in Paris, France. It is a 324-meter high tower built as entrance to the World's Fair held in Paris. It was built for the 1889 World Expo in Paris, a World's Fair designed to celebrate the centennial of the French Revolution. It has got a title of Symbol of Love due to its superb construction and outstanding views. Burj Khalifa, located in Dubai. It is the tallest building of the world. Height 829 meters, around 2,722 feet. Niagara Falls, located in USA-Canada border. It is a combination of height and water flow makes Niagara Falls beautiful. World's beautiful Niagara Falls are located on the border of Ontario, Canada and New York, USA. Niagara Falls are made up of 3 waterfalls, the American Falls, the Bridal Veil Falls and the Osage Falls. The largest vertical drop is over 165 feet. Victoria Falls, located in Zimbabwe border. It is the largest waterfall in the world during the wet season. It is located in South Africa, which provides habitat for several unique species of plants and animals.